so today we are going to do an experiment with colors and water, okay? Do you guys want to see what I do first? Okay.
What is blue?
You're going to do blue. Oh, wait. No, don't open it. Put it back, please. All of you got to put it back. So first, I'm going to show you what we're going to do, okay? So I'm going to put water in here. You guys see that?
Are there bubbles?
There's no bubbles in here. This one is going to be yellow. You guys see that? I'm going to put one yellow. I'm going to put one blue. Oh.
It's a lot.
Yes, it's a lot. And I'm going to put one red.
Ooh.
Whoa, okay.
Blue.
So right now this is yellow, blue, red. Now remember,
I want red.
no, we're not going to get it. Remember we were mixing colors? We're going to put one red with the blue.
It's gonna make color.
It's going to make a color. We're going to put one blue with the yellow.
Green.
And then we're going to put one yellow with the red. And we're going to make different colors.
I see purple and green and orange.
Yes, blue and red make purple. Yellow and blue make green. Yellow and red make orange. So we got green. Color is this? Purple. Orange. Nope, not yet. You are going to do it right now. Did you guys see how I mixed colors?
Yellow make color.
Yeah, look. I'm actually going to do it for you. So you guys are going to get some water. And then you guys are going to mix it. We're going to put a drop of each color in there.
Make green.
Blue and yellow make green. Blue and red make purple. Red and yellow make orange. I am going to give you guys colors. And you guys are going to mix colors, okay?
Blue.
Yes. Blue. Blue. And then red and red. I am going to let you guys mix. So this is where you're going to put the water. You're going to put it in there. Oh, okay. Try to get it all the way inside. So this is your yellow and your blue goes in here. Oh, good job. Keep going, yeah. Oh, you guys are doing great. So this is done. Now put this one in here. Put this in here. That's your red.
Green.
And yellow. Good job. Now put this in here, okay? And put these in here.
Yellow make
And put this one here. Red and yellow make. Let's find out.
orange.
Orange, yeah. So look, Serena, you made green right here, orange right here, and purple right here. Isn't that cool? You need more colors? You want to do more colors? Here, let me give you these. And then
Mommy,
you and Sebastian.
You're gonna copy?
Oh, actually, yeah. You guys can do that. Get them out and put them in there. Good job. So you made purple.
Wait. Oh.
It's okay. Look, you made purple, orange,
I want to make it
and
turn
green.
into rainbow.
You want to make it turn into a rainbow? Okay. Get these and copy sister. Look. Get the colors out and start making different colors together.